Based on the verdict of the jury finding you guilty of the offense of murder in the second degree with a firearm, as charged in the information filed against you in criminal case number 20 CF 2361, this court does hereby adjudicate you guilty of that offense and remand you to the custody of the sheriff pending receipt by the court of a pre-sentence investigation report by the Florida Parole and Probation Commission. You will be remanded now to the Lake County Jail. Let's set a sentencing date, Madam Clerk. What's 60 days out?
Let me get with Margie real fast.
Okay.
So she can.
I don't know if I think she left.
She left.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What's the,
I'll bless you.
prints and DNA will be ordered. Is there a November date?
We can do, November sentencing date is November 25th.
All right, November 25th, at what time? 9?
Private attorney, yes, sir.
9 o'clock. November 25th at 9 a.m. will be sentencing, tentatively, pending the receipt of the PSI. Is there anything further from the defense?
Yes, sir.
Anything further from the state?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we are adjourned. Thank you, everyone.